I just woke up, I'm late for school, I slept in, had a dentist section last night. This is what happens every morning when you wear a lace hairpiece. You wake up with this big line across here from the glue and everything's touching, rubbing against the pillow. This does not happen with poly. And I'm gonna have to have a shower, that'll all become unstuck and I'll have to push that down and wait for it to dry a bit. That's what happens with lace, and that's the main reason I really don't like using lace anymore. But yeah, I ran out of the poly that I was wearing and I have to dye some more. I couldn't be bothered preparing it, but I'll have to do that again as soon as possible. But that's just a warning to anybody who still thinks that lace is superior to poly. It's this whole problem of the glue being exposed along the front hairline all the time. And so I recommend poly because of this. The problem with poly, of course, is the V-loops falling out. But this is redeemable by taking a baby wipe and wiping this away every morning and tugging it off quite forcefully. It's recommended to use alcohol spray as well with the baby wipe and then rubbing that off. And once I go in the shower, that'll weaken again, and you kind of usually have to wait for that to dry a little bit as well before that can resettle back. It's a pain in the ass really. You have to do this every single day, especially after you have a shower, or especially after you wake up off the pillow. The front hairline maintenance on lace is, I'd say, 10 times more intensive than poly. So you don't just get out of bed when you're wearing lace, or just go straight out of the shower, brush your hair and go with lace. You have to do this every time. And due to the rubbing you have to do on this, you basically could make your forehead red as well. So my recommendation is that you get poly and make sure it's all done properly so you don't have to worry about this all the time. But that's kind of repaired the front hairline mostly along there, and I've still got some more to do there, but I'm gonna have a shower as well, so I'm running late, so that's all I'm gonna give you. Lace hair pieces require a lot of front hairline maintenance, so I still recommend poly. I'll go back to it as soon as I can.